Big Brother invading more of your privacy. FBI setting up decoy cell phone towers able to scoop up your calls and your texts, claiming they don't need a search warrant to do so. Lawmakers from both parties voicing alarm, sending a letter to Attorney General Eric Holder and Homeland Security Director Jay Johnson. Judge Henry Napolitano is Fox News senior judicial analyst and here to break this all down. All right, people don't know about this.
Right.
Everyone knows about what the NSA did. And a lot of people were outraged and some people didn't give whatever about it. What's the FBI doing?
Well, it's interesting how this came out. The FBI did a secret briefing to members of Congress, several of whom decided to leak it, to reveal it to the press. And in that briefing, the FBI revealed that it has established cell phone towers so that when you have your cell phone in your pocket or your purse or on the front seat of your car and you're driving by, the towers lure the signal into government computers, and that enables the government to capture any conversation you have on the cell phone or any texts or email that you're using on the cell phone as you're driving by.
And you don't know about it. Is it legal?
No, it is absolutely not legal. But the FBI, listen to this one, the FBI has written rules for itself to govern itself as it uses this scheme that it concocted that no law permits and that numerous Supreme Court opinions indicate would be unconstitutional. That's what has Congress up in arms about this. On its face, it violates the requirement in the Fourth Amendment that basically says all searches and seizures and listening to the contents of a phone call or reading the contents of a text or email as a search or seizure requires a search warrant issued by a judge, not one concocted by the FBI itself.
I know from past history of interviewing you that you have said when you were serving as a judge, you would have gladly gotten up in the middle of the night in your bathrobe.
I did a few times.
Well, to give those search warrants because you believe that we should go back to the way in which we used to do business.
Yes. Now, the FBI says we only need a search warrant if the evidence we obtain is going to be used in a criminal prosecution. That is absolutely and profoundly wrong. The Fourth Amendment was written to protect Americans in our privacy, particularly in our homes and our effects. Yep. This is an effect, whether the FBI is prosecuting us or not.
And the scary thing is, we can't do anything about it. Because other than turn off our phones when we're driving all over the place.
Well, we have members of Congress who can do a lot about it, and let's hope that they do.